Morning everyone. Today's lecture is on cultivation of ginger. The scientific name of ginger is Gingiber officinale and it belongs to family Gingiberaceae. Ginger is one of the oldest spices with a distinct flavor and pungency. It has a wide range of uses that include culinary, flavorant in soft drinks, alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages, confectionery, pickles, pharmaceutical preparations. India is the largest grower of ginger and also the largest producer of dry ginger in the world. Other countries cultivating ginger extensively are West Indies, Brazil, China, Japan, and Indonesia. In India, Kerala, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, and West Bengal are important ginger growing states. About 60% of the area is confined to Kerala, accounting for 25% of the country's total production. Climate and soil for ginger. Ginger grows well in warm and humid climate. It is cultivated up to 1500 meter above mean sea level. However, an optimum elevation for its successful cultivation is 300 to 900 meter. Moderate rainfall at sowing till the rhizomes sprout fairly, heavy and well distributed showers during the growing period, and dry weather about 1 month before harvesting are optimum requirements for its successful cultivation. Early planting helps in better growth and development of rhizomes and higher yields. A rich soil with good drainage and aeration is ideal for its cultivation. It grows well in sandy as well as clay loam soil, red loam soil, and lateritic loam soils. Drainage is absolutely necessary for the prevention of disease incidence. Ginger should not be grown in the same site year after year, as it interacts with the field diseases. Varieties of ginger. Several cultivars are grown in different areas in India. Table 1, in which there are so many varieties are given with their characteristics. Ginger is always propagated by cuttings of rhizomes known as seed rhizome or sets. Rhizome sets should be treated with 0.3% dithium M45 solution for 30 minutes to control fungal diseases. If required, they may also treat it with 0.5% malathion and 200 ppm streptocycline for planting rhizome bits of 15 to 20 gram at the rate of 1200 to 1800 kg per hectare may be used. Cultivation aspects of ginger. First one is planting. The land should be plowed 4 to 5 times to bring the soil into fine tilth. Beds of 1 meter width, 15 cm height and 3 meter length or of any convenient length are prepared at 40 cm spacing. About 2000 beds of 3 meter into 1 meter size are prepared in 1 hectare land. Being irrigated crop, ridges are formed 40 cm apart. The optimum spacing is 30 cm into 30 cm under bed system of planting. A bed of 3 meter into 1 meter can accommodate 40 plants. Manuring and fertilization. A basal dose of 25 to 30 tons of farmyard manure with NPK 75 50 kg per hectare is recommended. Whole of P2O5 and half of K2O may be applied at the time of planting. Half of nitrogen is applied 40 days after planting and the remaining nitrogen and K2O month after that. Application of neem cake 2 tons per hectare as basal dressing helps reduce the incidence of soft rot of ginger and increases the yield. Now we discuss different cultivars of ginger recommended for different states as well as union territories. State and cultivars. Andhra Pradesh, especially local types which Medak and Tuni are cultivated. In Arunachal Pradesh, Shillong is cultivated. Bihar, Deshi and Dora Bhanya are cultivated. Gujarat, local types named after the localities are cultivated. Haryana and Punjab, local types named after the localities is cultivated. Himachal Pradesh, Himachal number 1, SC 666, Daringa local, SC 645 and Narang are cultivated in Himachal Pradesh. Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal number 1 is cultivated. Karnataka, Wayanad, Manthodhi, Narsapatam and Thaigupam and Karakkal generally used for cultivation in Karnataka. In Kerala, Kurupamaddi, Wayanad Dokal, Balu Nad Maran, Nadia Maran Lodi, Arnad, Tadu Puja, Rio de Janeiro, Jamaica. These are the varieties are cultivated in Kerala. Madhya Pradesh, local ginger types found in Tikamgarh, Chhindwara and Bastar districts are in cultivation. Maharashtra, local types, Manipur, Singh type, Thingpuri and Singatam type are cultivated. In Meghalaya, Nadia, Punia, Rio de Janeiro, Wayanad, Thingpuri and Maran are in cultivation. Mizoram, Thingpuri, Maran and Rio de Janeiro are in cultivation. Nagaland, Rio de Janeiro is in cultivation. Odisha, Kurupamadi, Wayanad types, local types, viz. Kudli, Lakshipur, Turia, Junagadh, Raikia, Suprabha and Surchi are in cultivation. In Sikkim, Guru Batane, Baishi, Nadia, Rio de Janeiro and Thingpuri are in cultivation. Tamil Nadu, Rio de Janeiro, Maran and Nadia are in cultivation. Tripura, Himachal number 1, local types are in cultivation. Uttar Pradesh, local types named after the localities are in cultivation. West Bengal, Guru Batan, Shambuk A, Thurukasadan, Malli, Rio de Janeiro and Thingpuri, Maran, Tura and Bombay Deshi are in cultivation. Bedding and mulching. Bedding and mulching. Mulching enhances germination, increases organic matter, conserves soil moisture and prevents washing of soil due to heavy rains, as well as minimizing the incidence of weeds in the field. 2 beddings are generally given to the crop. The first bedding is done just before the second mulching and repeated depending on the intensity of weed growth. If necessary, bedding is to be repeated for the third time. Mulching of ginger beds helps in soil and water conservation. The first mulching is done at the time of planting with 12.5 tons of green leaves per hectare and the second after 40 days with 5 tons of green leaves per hectare. Rotation and intercropping of ginger. The crops are most commonly rotated with ginger in Kerala are tapioca, chili, rice, gingelly, ragi, groundnut and maize. Ginger is also grown with maize as a mixed crop and as an intercrop in coconut and areca nut gardens. Harvesting and post-harvest management. It is ready for harvesting in about 8 months depending on variety when the leaves turn yellow and start drying. The average yield is 15 to 30 tons per hectare. If the crop is for green ginger, it is harvested in 5 to 6 months. Rhizomes are washed thoroughly in water 2 or 3 times to remove the soil and dirt and sun-dried for a day. For dry ginger, the outer skin is removed with split bamboos having pointed ends. Only the outer skin is to be peeled since the essential oil of ginger remains near the skin and dried in the sun for a week. The yield of dry ginger is 16 to 25% of the green ginger. Big plumpy rhizomes free from diseases are selected immediately after harvesting. They are treated with a solution containing 0.5% of malathion and 0.3% diethane M45 for 30 minutes. Drain the solution and dry the rhizomes under shade. Dried rhizomes are put in a pit of convenient size, 2 meter into 1 meter and covered with a plank, fitted with 2 to 3 holes for aeration. In some areas, the rhizomes are loosely heaped over a layer of sand or paddy husk and covered with dry leaves in a thatched shed. For processing into sprouts, ginger rhizomes are harvested 5 months after planting. The rhizomes are immature, tender and succulent. They are washed in water to remove soil and processed into salted ginger. Preserved ginger in sugar syrup or brine and dry and crystallized ginger are also used. Thank you for patience hearing.